In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero bank feeds. Managing your finances requires rigorous record keeping and constant tracking of transactions. Thankfully, accounting software like Xero simplifies this by allowing you to directly link your bank account, making it easier to monitor balances, transactions, and reconcile accounts in real time. After logging into your Xero account, your next destination is the Accounting tab. This area in Xero is crucial as it serves as the nerve center for all your accounting tasks. To get there, simply locate and click on the Accounting tab. This navigation is straightforward, but it marks a significant leap toward getting your bank feeds up and running. With the accounting area in view, the next step involves clicking on Bank Accounts. This action is your direct pathway to managing your bank accounts from within Xero. Picture it as opening a door to a room where all your bank accounts can be viewed and managed under one roof. Take a moment to click on Bank Accounts and bring yourself one step closer to connectivity. The magic really begins when you click on Add Bank Account. This option is designed to extend a hand to your bank, inviting it onto the Xero platform. It's a gesture that sets the stage for a seamless partnership between your bank and your accounting software. So go ahead and make that click with confidence. Now it's time to bring your bank into the mix. Here, you'll be prompted to search for your bank. This step is akin to setting up a meet and greet between Xero and your bank. Start typing the name of your bank into the search field, and you'll likely find it pop up. Following your bank selection, Xero will ask you to provide your bank details and the specific account you wish to connect. This step is all about establishing a secure and direct line of communication between your bank account and Xero. It's a moment of commitment where you're entrusting Xero with access to your financial activities for the sake of more effective management. Take your time to accurately provide the necessary details, taking care to double-check what you've entered. And that's it. You've now walked through the process of connecting your bank feeds to Xero. This connectivity is an essential step toward more efficient financial management, allowing for real-time access to your transactions and balances directly within Xero. Remember, the beauty of this integration lies not just in the convenience, but also in the enhanced capacity for accurate record-keeping and financial analysis it offers. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the initial login to the final act of connecting your bank account. Each step is critical in its own right, but remember, should you ever encounter any challenges, Xero's support team is just a few clicks away, ready to assist you. So empower yourself by taking these steps to heart. Connect your bank feeds and take control of your financial management process with Xero. Happy accounting, and remember, efficiency is just a few clicks away.